Hi guys, how are you? I'm going to zoom out. I'm a little bit close. You can't tell that because, pink, pink on pink. There we go. That's better. Okay, so today's prompt is flower garden. And I am just going to do my plumeria flowers because I love them. I need more. I need a bigger spot than that. Let's do on this size. Let's do it on that color paper. You know what? I haven't done them in white before. Or silver. Let's draw them in silver. What the heck? I'm gonna put a big one right here. I'm gonna plan out where I'm gonna put my flowers. I'm gonna put a big one right here. I'm going to put a big one here, and maybe one bigger one here, and then I'm going to put a smaller one there and there. I think that would be good. Something like that. Okay, so silver. We'll see what happens. So I'm using my pattern called Plum Lei, Plum-Lei. Basically a plumeria flower. And you just zoom in. 5 curves. 2, 3, 4, 5 curves from the center, and then from here to about halfway, 3/4 of the way across here, down to there. Just like that. One plumeria flower. And then you can do an extra bit right there. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love it. I'm going to do another one right here. That. And I'm going to tuck one in here. I'm going to get it a little closer so it overlaps. That, and plop one in here. And I think I did that one with my curves going the other direction. Did I? Yes, I did. It's okay. Curves can go whichever direction you want. something like this. One, two, three, four, five. That's a good number. And I always like to put a stick in mine. I don't know why I like having a stick in mine, but I do. I'm going to stick it coming out of here. Something like that. You didn't see some of that. Sorry. Let's put it this way. Here you can see. Maybe one coming this way. Something like that. 2 little sticks. That looks good. And now I think I want to okay, flower garden. I need to let this dry a little bit so I can erase, but I don't know if I really need to, or if it's just gonna blend in anyways. Probably just blend in anyways, but let me just get a little tiny bit of that pencil where I sketched out my little circles. Those off of there. That's good. Okay, now I want a little shading, but because I did it in the silver and I don't want it really obvious, I think I'm gonna go with, let's see what this color looks like on this paper. You can see that? Not really. Okay, I need maybe this color. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to shade with this color that's called Ultramarine Light. So it's a blue, but since this is a very turquoisey piece of paper, just going to shade with this. Oh, there's some pencil I want to get rid of. Okay, I'm just going to shade ever so gently. I want it to blend in and not be, I don't want you to really notice it, really. I mean, I want you to see it, but I want it to be subtle. That's why I'm going with this color. So it's almost not there. Very, 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 very light. Yeah, something like that. Perfect. There we go. That's my branches. And then I need some in my flowers where they overlap. just like that. Subtle. See, that's what I need, just subtle like that. And maybe I'll get a secondary blue, a little bit lighter, and blend those together. Oh, and I need to do it a little bit darker where these flowers overlap that flower. Almost forgot that part. Like that. Like that. Like that. Okay. I like that. I want just the smallest hint of blending. I'm going to go with a color that's just slightly lighter. This one's called Sky Blue, and I want to just blend this out just a little bit. I don't know if it's going to really capture it on camera, but I want just the smallest amount of blending to happen there, so it really softens that color. Can you guys see that? I guess you can. And then I want to soften my stick. Didn't do this one yet, did I? Don't think so. Soften my stick. And then I do want highlights. But do I want them in blue or in white? Nope, that's not enough. Don't think I have a lighter enough blue for it to be. No, that's the same color as the paper. Have a light green. Nope, that's dark. Ooh. Looks like a light green based on the tip of the pencil, but that was definitely dark. Okay, white it is. Where are you, little white? Give her a nice sharpen. And a bit of a highlight right in there. Like that. Just a little touch in here where it might be just slightly light, but not like super bright. That, and then maybe right along the top of my stick. Like that. Oh yes, very good. Perfect, just what I wanted. I'm happy with that. You guys happy with that? I didn't chit-chat much today. I'm not in the chit-chatty mood. I just wanted to draw and play and just have fun. Hope you enjoyed that. I had fun. And the next one is going to be the last one for Inktober, because then the following Monday will be in November. Oh my gosh, November. That means Christmas is almost here. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. I will see you on the last video and for October. You guys have a great day. Go out and bless somebody today by doing something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.